from Studio Kato, and I'm so happy you're joining me again today on the Crafty Meraki YouTube channel. Today I have a really fun card to share with you using only dies, I think. I don't think I used a single stamp, which is very weird for me because I started out very much a stamp loving girl. Now I'm starting out with this Craft Around Mini Slimline die, and I die cut it out of really pale yellow paper, and I'm going to glue it onto a even paler yellow paper. This is more of a cream cardstock, and it's just going to give me a tone-on-tone background. Now for the new release, you also got this Craft Around die in an A2 size, so that's also available, and I'm still waiting to get mine. I hope I get it. It's such a fun pattern, but I really love this mini slimline size as well. And I'm just going to show you how you can use this on A2 card as well. So you just trim it down so you have a matting layer. You know, you probably know, I love to leave a white margin all the way around a fun panel. That always gives me a lot of dimension. Now I did glue a gray piece of cardstock on top of my card base. Then I propped up the die cut panel on top of a piece of cardboard to give it some dimension. And I want to add a sentiment on top of that oval, which I die cut with a Pinkfresh Studio die. And I want flowers and leaves to burst out from behind that. So just trace the oval on top of my panel there, and that way, just with a really pale pencil line, you probably can't see it in the video, but it was really noticeable in real life. And I'm just covering it with leaves. So I'm making sure that the leaves go a little bit beyond the line and just poke out nicely from that oval. So I'm going to do the same with the flowers. I wasn't sure at first if I wanted them to be on top of the oval or behind it as well, and I decided on putting them behind the oval. These are the Iris dies by Crafty Meraki. I love these. I love the latest Flora releases. And the leaves are actually from two different die sets. I just die cut a bunch of them at once, and obviously I can't tell you which leaves are from which die set. But I think the other one is called Emma. I am going to verify that, and you'll find both the die sets I used in the description below. My arrangement in the bottom right corner is going to be a little bit busier and a little bit heavier than the arrangement in the top left corner. I just like it that way. I don't know why I always do this, but it's a go-to design for me. You do whatever you want, obviously. These iris dies, you probably see it on the flowers I already glued down, do have that little sprig of flower business that I die cut out of yellow cardstock. I just added it on top, but you could add it from behind the flowers and it would look a little bit more like it came from inside the flowers, the way it's supposed to look. But I like the look like this. Don't know why, I just really like that touch of yellow there. Now all these florals and leaves are stacked or layered. So the florals all have two layers of thick white cardstock behind them, and the leaves all have one layer of thick white cardstock behind them. And because I really love dimension, I am also adding two white ovals behind that light yellow oval. I also stacked up my sentiment, which is from the Mini Slimline birthday wishes die set. I have no clue what this is called. Usually I have an inkling of a name, but nothing right now. So that will also be listed in the description below. I'm very sorry. I'm a little bit sick today. You can probably hear it in my voice. But yeah, I die cut that out of thick white cardstock, layer those together, and also die cut it out of matte silver cardstock. I would have usually gone for gold with the yellow, but with the blue, I just love silver, and I think it works with the yellow as well. I'm adding some pearls. These are Crafty Meraki Sparkle. gems. I think these are the white opals, and I love them. I just love a white pearl. I didn't think I did. I have no white pearls in my collection, but these are so fun. I can't wait to use these on all my cards. I also folded a matching envelope out of cream cardstock. I am not going to add any design to this. The card is very busy already and very thick. This is the thickest card I have made in a while. This is definitely going to require more postage, but it's worth it. I just love dimension so much. I'm going to show it to you right here in this glory shot. I really like all of those stacked die cuts. It's a little bit extra work, but it's always worth it in my opinion. I hope you like the card. I hope you like the video, and I hope you check out these flora dies. Flower dies are some of my favorite things to work with. I always gravitate towards them when I'm in my craft room. Almost have to force myself to use any of the other products I have. I really fallen in love with floral dies lately. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you stick around for another video. I will leave a playlist linked on top of this video for all of the other videos I did for Crafty Meraki. I hope you check that out. And I hope you subscribe to see more of the videos from me and from all of the other designers on the team. There are some amazing people here. Still can't believe I'm part of this. And I hope you watch those as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.